Life is never completely perfect. Everyone experiences highs and lows. Sometimes failures and rejections can leave us so demotivated that it feels like life has lost its balance. But remember this: the power to make a comeback lies within everyone. Every struggle is a signal for a fresh start. In today's video, I'm going to share 6 actionable steps that will help you make the greatest comeback of your life. This isn't just another motivational talk, it's a set of practical steps that can give your life a new direction. So if you're feeling stuck or want to hit the reset button on your life, this video is for you. Step 1. Lock yourself. Sometimes the biggest changes in life require you to pause and ask yourself some important questions. Who am I? What do I truly want? Where am I headed in life? These questions will guide you toward your real goals. To do this, disconnect from the outside world for a while, not to run away, but to look within. When you spend time with yourself, you gain a clearer understanding of your doubts, fears, and aspirations. Start by keeping a journal. Write down your thoughts, whether they're about your problems, your dreams, or the things that bother you. Writing will help you gain clarity. Take time each day to reflect and let this practice be the foundation of your transformation. Spend time in a peaceful environment, free from distractions. This is your chance to reflect on how you can improve your life. This process will create a blueprint for your growth, a map to guide you in the right direction. Understanding yourself is the foundation of any transformation, and it's the first step toward building something meaningful. Step 2. Avoid social media and toxic friendships. In today's world, it's easy to get lost in social media and friend circles, but when you're planning your greatest comeback, it's vital to focus entirely on your progress, not on distractions. Social media often portrays everyone's life as perfect, which leads to unnecessary comparisons. This can demotivate you and distract you from your goals. Limit your time on social platforms and dedicate it to improving your skills, knowledge, and health. The same goes for friendships. While some friends uplift you, others can hold you back. If someone hinders your progress, it's okay to step back and focus on yourself. Spending time alone and disconnecting from social media will help you prepare mentally and emotionally for your comeback. Step 3. Adopt new skills. In today's fast-paced world, the key to survival and success lies in learning, unlearning, and relearning. Continuous skill development is crucial to staying relevant. Start by identifying which skills will shape your future. This requires you to understand your interests and long-term goals. For example, if you're passionate about technology, consider learning coding, artificial intelligence, or data science. If creativity excites you, explore skills like graphic design, video editing, or content creation. The goal is to align your learning with your passions while ensuring it supports your growth and success. If you're interested in creative fields, you can explore graphic designing, animation, or photography. The easiest way to start is by using free resources available online. In today's digital age, platforms like YouTube provide material ranging from beginner to advanced levels. For example, if you want to learn graphic design, start with tools like Canva or Adobe. For video editing, don't just watch tutorials. Spend time practicing with editing tools daily. Create small projects and challenge yourself. As you practice, both your confidence and skill level will grow. Focus on soft skills. While hard skills like coding, designing, or writing can kickstart your career, soft skills are essential for growth in that career. Skills like effective communication, problem solving, and time management will help you thrive and stand out. Networking is another crucial aspect. Start connecting with other learners and industry experts. Use platforms like LinkedIn to share your progress, get feedback, and build meaningful connections. Gain real-life experience. Practical experience is invaluable. You can apply for projects on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. This not only gives you hands-on experience but also helps you earn money for your work. To manage your money effectively, focus on building a strong foundation. Invest in opportunities that grow your skills or provide long-term benefits. Avoid unnecessary expenses and showing off. This approach ensures that your comeback is not just temporary, but sustainable for the long run. To achieve financial stability, budgeting is essential. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Divide your income into 3 parts. Essential expenses like rent, bills, and groceries. Savings, allocate a portion of your income to savings. Lifestyle, spend on things you enjoy but within limits. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is critical for unexpected situations, such as job loss or health emergencies. Save a portion of your income every month for this purpose. This fund will provide a safety net and financial security. Focus on investing. While savings are important, investments make your money grow. Consider beginner-friendly options like trading Binance or SIPs, which are systematic investment plans. These options carry lower risks and offer good returns. If you're open to taking more risks, you can explore the stock market. However, ensure you do thorough research and gain financial education first. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and The Intelligent Investor are great resources to get started. Avoid showing off. Refrain from indulging in social media comparisons or unnecessary displays of wealth. Expensive gadgets, luxury vacations, or branded clothes don't define success. True success is financial independence. Focus on managing your money wisely with discipline and patience. Control your spending, make smart investments, and prioritize financial education to achieve long-term growth. Step 5. Focus on health. Your health is the foundation of your comeback. Without physical and mental fitness, achieving any goal becomes difficult. Engage in at least 30 minutes of daily exercise, which could include gym workouts, jogging, yoga, or simple stretching. Maintain a balanced diet by avoiding fast food and opting for healthy alternatives like fruits, green vegetables, and whole grains. Taking care of your body and mind will ensure you have the energy and focus needed to achieve your goals. Incorporate a balanced diet with plenty of vegetables and proteins. Alongside physical health, don't ignore mental health. Manage stress with meditation. Even 10 minutes a day can provide mental clarity and peace. Distance yourself from toxic people and situations. Spend time with positive individuals who inspire and uplift you. Remember, your health, both mental and physical, is the key to reaching your goals. Step 6. Enjoy your life. Don't forget to enjoy life. Constantly working and pressuring yourself can lead to burnout. Take time to recharge. Dedicate a few hours or a day each week to activities you love, such as watching movies, reading books, listening to music, or hanging out with friends. Spend quality time with family and close friends. Why it's important: enjoyment refreshes your mind, boosts productivity, and adds happiness to your life. Remember, staying happy is a crucial part of living a fulfilling life. Conclusion: life is full of setbacks, but they are a natural part of the journey. Your comeback depends on your actions. Here's a quick recap of the 6 steps. Lock yourself. Reflect and rediscover your goals. Avoid social media. Limit distractions and focus on your progress. Learn new skills. Continuously improve and adapt. Invest wisely. Build a secure financial foundation. Focus on health. Prioritize physical and mental well-being. Enjoy life. Make time for fun and relaxation. You have the potential to redefine yourself and your life. Trust yourself, focus on your goals, and never back down from hard work. The world is waiting for your comeback. Start taking action now.